Imagine waking up to crystal clear views every morning. Picture your home or business bathed in natural light, unobstructed by smudges or streaks. At Florida Cleaning Service Pros, we don't just clean windows, we transform your entire space. Windows are the eyes of your property, and we're here to make them shine like never before. From cozy homes to towering office buildings, our expert window cleaning service is second to none across Florida. Customer 1. I never realized how much of a difference clean windows could make. It's like I have a whole new view of the world. What sets our window cleaning service apart? Let's break it down. 1. Unmatched expertise. Our team is trained in the latest window cleaning techniques and technologies. 2. Attention to detail. We clean not just the glass, but the frames, sills, and tracks too. 3. Safety. First, we're fully insured and use the safest equipment for high-rise and difficult-to-reach windows. 4. Eco-friendly options. We offer green cleaning solutions that are tough on dirt but gentle on the environment. Our dedication to spotless results has earned us a gleaming 5-star rating from satisfied clients all over Florida. Florida Cleaning Service Pros transformed the appearance of your entire office building. The difference is night and day. We're proud to serve window cleaning needs in DeSoto County, Glades County, Hardy County, Highlands County, Okeechobee County, Polk County. With our headquarters in Lake Placid, we are perfectly positioned to make windows sparkle all across these areas. Our comprehensive window cleaning services include residential window cleaning, commercial and high-rise window cleaning, interior and exterior services, screen cleaning, hard water stain removal, window track and sill cleaning, skylight cleaning. Whether it's a quaint bungalow or a sprawling office complex, we have the skills and equipment to handle any job. Clean windows do more than just improve your view. They enhance your property's curb appeal, increase natural light, potentially lowering energy costs, extend the life of your windows by removing corrosive contaminants, create a more positive atmosphere for homes and businesses alike. Customer 2. I used to dread cleaning my windows. Now, I just call Florida Cleaning Service Pros, and I know the job will be done perfectly every time. Ready to see your world through a clearer lens? Contact us today at our phone number or visit flcleaningservice.com to schedule your window cleaning. Mention this video and get 15% off your first service. Florida Cleaning Service Pros, bringing clarity to your world, one window at a time. Your view, our passion.